Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jenny DIY. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is the part 2 of how to make a two-piece set, crop top and short. So this is the part 2. If you have not watched the part 1, please check my channel for the part 1. So in this part 2, I'm going to show you how to make the top. So as you can see, I've already placed my top. I'm using it as a guide to create a pattern. And for the fabric, this is linen fabric. So you can use any fabric of your choice. So you can see I now have my top. So what I'm going to do is to create a dot on both sides, that is near the armhole. I'm trying to make it look equal. So I'm going to stitch it. So here's the look. The next thing I'm going to do is to sew on the edge of the top. So I'm going to fold it and stitch it. So here's the look, and for the armhole, what I'm going, this is optional. If you like, you can just fold it and stitch it, but this is the way, this is how I'm going to do it. I cut out some strips, so I'm going to use it as a band for the armhole. So I'm going to stitch it on the armhole and then fold it again and stitch it. So after sewing it together, I stitch it, I fold it and stitch it again. So you can see how it looks now. So now before you stitch this together, before you close the strap, you have to wear it to know if it really fits before you do that. And the next thing I'm going to do is to sew gather. I'm going to use it on the bottom of the top, but this is optional. If you like, you can just leave it like this. If you like, you can also use it. So you can see I'm going to pin it on the bottom of the top and now sew it together, and that is it. It's really simple to make, and I hope you enjoy this video. And please, if you have any question, do leave your comment below. And if you are new watching me, if it's your first time, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. And yeah, please make sure you thumbs up for this video. I really thank you all for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I will see you in my next video. Ciao.